Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening, depending on your location that you are watching my tutorial from. So, welcome to my channel. On today's tutorial, I would like to teach us on how to open and verify, sign up your WeChat account and get it verified by yourself. So, I think everybody know what is WeChat is all about. WeChat is a social media, a chatting site like for WhatsApp also. Just being created from China. So just go straight to your Google Play Store and search for WeChat. I already have it installed on my phone. Just let me update it. So once you see the WeChat, click on install. Click on download. As you install it, just open it. Then follow the instruction. I'm going to provide it on this account on this video tutorial now. So once you finish downloading your account, you click on open the WeChat account. When it's still updating, I just updated it. It has been outdated before. So once you finish install, click on WeChat account, click open. So click on open, allow it to load. Allow it to load. So once you load, click on sign up with mobile, your name. Let me just okay, vertical. Let me use my channel name, Nigeria. Now I'm from Nigeria now, so put the mobile number I want to use. Let me I put the accept this number. You put your password. Click on accept. You put your password. Put on accept. You don't need 070. Start with 00. So click on accept and continue. There are privacy policy will load. Just read blah blah blah. I don't need it. Just click on agreed and next. I've agreed and next. Allow it to load. Allow it to load. Allow it to load. So for the security of your account, verify security for security of your account. So for security of our account, verify security verification code before registration. Click on start. Just drag it. So what they need is that you need someone that have been on WeChat for 6 months, 6 good months, just to verify you. Just find someone and screenshot this page and send it to the person just to verify you. Once you send it to the person and the person verify you, the account will be verified successfully. Let me use one of my accounts to verify. I will send it to my other WhatsApp. Then once you send it to the person will log in his or her own WeChat account. It will see at the top corner of this list where to verify. Once you click on verify and inside this code to it, your account will be verified successfully. Let me send that to one of our accounts, and you will see what it will show next after scanning the code. Well, let me start from here. Once you send the barcode to the person successfully and he was able to verify it successfully, they will send this kind of messages to the person that assistant decision successfully. All you need to do is to just go back to your WeChat account. You can see verification successful, back to sign up. So the code will be sent to the number you provided. Let me wait. The phone is with me here. Let me wait for the code. So I'm still waiting for their code. Yes. So those are one of the most difficult things. At times the delay in sending code. I pray they don't delay this one now. So once I see the code, I will continue the video. Alright, my verification code has been sent to me successfully after the second time of requesting. So let me go straight and verify my account. 498347. Next. So wow, my phone number is linked to a WeChat account of who is this yours. So my card has been linked to a WeChat account before. So once you put the code, you are good to go. So if you want me to help you verify, I think I still have a slot left, maybe one or two. I can help you to verify your WeChat account. So if the chance is still available before you message me, if not, I will let you know. But if you have a friend that has been using it for a while, for 6 months, it's easy for the person to get to verify it also. So please subscribe, like the video, and share to your friend. So we're expecting a new video also. Thank you.